Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new video. Today's video is all about moving average. I am not big fan of the lagging indicators like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, etc. But only indicator I use moving average with pivots and CPR for a specific trading setup or market move. I am big fan of CPR, pivot points and price action. With this the combination of moving average I profit more and more in day trading. Now I am going to present the secrets of moving averages with 1:5 risk reward. Let's go for the presentation. My request is if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel. Let us see the secrets of moving average strategy. Most commonly used moving average in day trading are 5 EMA, 10 EMA, 20 EMA, 50 EMA, 100 EMA and 200 EMA. EMA is the exponential moving average. But which one I use? I use 8 EMA and 20 EMA in my chart with 5-minute time frame. The question is why 8 EMA and 20 EMA? 8 EMA is for the trailing the stop loss after the breakout. 20 EMA following the trend with retracement entry on the trending day. Let's go for the trading view chart for the 8 EMA and 20 EMA with pivot points and CPR. This is the 5-minute chart of Nifty in trading view. Uh, See here the blue line is the 8 EMA. I have given one example of 8 EMA for the how the 8 EMA is working for trailing the stop loss. Here see the price is the here and the top is the price, top price is here and the day low is here and breakout happen in this candle. See the 12:45 candle breakout is happen, and also it is break the weekly weekly high. This is weekly high. This is weekly high or lows. I think this is weekly. Yes, previous week high. This is previous week high. Also break and top CPR also break. Then this is the good entry in this candle. It is the good entry, and we can put stop loss above the candle and above the weekly high and above the top CPR. This is the CPR. Central CPR, this is central CPR, this is top CPR, this is bottom CPR. If you want to know more about the CPR, then go for my previous video. Okay. We can trailing the stop loss. See here the price move here. It's also break the bottom CPR. Okay. Here also you see here the price move now up. Someone think that the price will go up and exit here, but the price will go low and low and low, and one can take more profit here. How I have said the 1:5 risk reward. See here the breakout. Okay, here stop loss is above the candle and above the 8 EMS. See here stop loss is this much only, this much. Okay, and your profit is this much. It is more than 1:5 risk reward. You see, your stop loss is this much only, this much, and your profit is this much. Yeah, huge profit. Okay, it is more than 1:5 risk reward. Then the question is when how we have to do the trailing stop loss. We do trailing stop loss. See the this is one candle. This is also but not close above the 8 EMA. If the candle close above the 8 EMA, then we can go for exit, but we can put the stop loss here above the 8 EMA and above the this candle top, and we can wait for few minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and half an hour. See the move. It's break the previous day low also, and it also break the weekly CPR. This is weekly CPR, and also break the this is the S1 support also. They also break and move to this also. We can, but we this candle you saw, this candle is close above the 8 EMA. Then you can exit. You can exit here. No issue. This is the 8 EMA example. I can show you another one. You see here. Yeah, how support the 8 EMA. See, it's going up. One candle, but let it. But how it is support. Okay. See here also. How the move. 8 EMA support. Up up to yeah, 8 EMA support. When it's close below the 8 EMA, then you can exit. There is a simple strategy. Yes. How it is support. Close below, you can exit. See here. This is this is the breakout. Here breakout is happen. After that, you see he break the weekly high, all break the resistance, all the move the see the move, the price move how much. It is more than 1:5 risk reward. Okay, let's go for the 20 moving average. Let's see the 20 EMA. The red color line is the 20 EMA, 20 exponential moving average. It is this strategy worked very well in trending day. How to know it is a trending day or not? I have already said in previous video, if the CPR is narrow one, then most probably it is a trending day. It is a trending. See, it is very low. The white width is very low. Somewhat you can see this 810 and 20. It is about 15 points. The CPR width is 15 points. Means it is very narrow with CPR. If it is narrow with CPR, it is most probably that the day will be a trending day. See the trend, downward trend. It is in this trending day. The 20 EMA in retracement, it works very well. See here, oh, the price is moves like this and go near about the 20 EMA, not near, but see here, it is already near to 20 EMA. This is the 20 EMA retracement. One can entry here. This is the this is also break the uh, R2 resistance. This is R1, R2, okay, and also break the previous week low. This is the previous week low. The red plus mark is the previous week low. Okay, you can enter here, entry in this candle, and the stop loss should be above the 20 EMA, also for more safe above the previous week low and the R2 resistance. Okay, then this much is the stop loss. Your stop loss is this much, and you can book profit to next resistance here, or we can take up to here. And the see how much the profit. Then the risk reward is more than 1:5. Okay, this is the best entry in the retracement of 20 EMA. This is 20 EMA retracement. Okay, see another example, day. Another day we can see this is white CPR. This is also white. This is white. Okay, see here. See here. This is narrow CPR. Okay, price retrace to the 20 EMA. Okay, you can enter here. Your entry should be after this candle, and stop loss should be below the CPR. Okay, and profit to the next support level. Okay, see this is also a trending day. Okay, when price come to the 20 EMA, then price jump to off. See, okay, price come to the 20 EMA, then move the price to up. Okay, the entry should be on the 20 EMA retracement only, here only. This is the retracement area. Entry should be the 20 EMA retracement, and profit should be the next resistance level. Okay, okay, this is the 20 EMA strategy. Okay, see here also, this is the 20 EMA. The entry should be here. Okay, see here, the entry should be the here only, 20 EMA. On the retracement, you see it is the retracement, the entry should be here only, and this is the move. Okay, so from me this much of this is the 8 and 20 EMA strategy. It is giving very good profit in the 20 EMA is giving very good profit in trending day, and the 8 EMA is giving in very good profit in breakout for trailing the stop loss. Okay, thanks for the watching the video. Please subscribe my channel, and if I'm conducting seminar on weekends, if someone interested, please contact me on my contact details below the videos. Okay, thank you.